Steve here with Table Rock Tea Company. Big day today on the farm. We are doing a concrete pour. So I am just going to let you watch it and I'll narrate it from behind. So Metricon is here and Jimmy Waters and his crew have been working all morning framing things out. What we're doing is we're putting a pad down in the front of the Tea Museum and Visitor Center. So this will eventually have a shed roof on it, and that'll just be a place where people can relax, and benches there. We can just have it as our front entrance. So anyhow, they've been framing out. They had to cut, this was a concrete slab here, so they had to cut it with the, I guess, cement circular saw and all that, so that they could tie in. So it'll just slope off a little bit so that the rain will go away from the structure. And yeah, so they're about ready to do the pour, and we'll just circle around and watch. Actually, let me go this way. I'll kind of keep an eye on it. Sounds like it's going down the chute. Maybe, maybe not. The anticipation of it all, yeah. So we finally had a good day here. It's been raining here for a long time, and every time Jimmy's had to come out to do the effort, it's too wet. They can't get more trucks. This thing weighs a gajillion pounds. So we'll come on over this side. Watch the pour. Sorry for the shaky camera. I don't have my gimbal with me right now. But this is where he's going to pour it out, and there's another section that they did as well. Pretty cool. There you go. So we'll wait for the concrete to come down the chute. All right, there's Table Rock in the background. Everybody say hi. That's Jimmy over there. He is the concrete artist. And here it comes. So I always appreciate skilled craftsmen, because this is stuff that I'm not familiar with doing. There are tricks to everything that you do. And that's something that these guys have been doing this a long time. They know what they're doing. They know the right consistency and temperature and slope and all that kind of stuff. So I just sit back and I let the experts do their job. And there's some things that you do yourself and other things that you pay to do. So we'll come back to that side, but I'll take you down here and show you this side. I make sure I don't trip down the stairs. It's a little steep, but they've got a little more concrete to pour in there. But this is just an under roof slab that was a bit wonky, and they're gonna level it out, make it nice, and that way when we're gonna replace all these beams, and this is all the junk wood, and of course the roof is needing to be replaced and all of that, but at least it's something that's under cover, and we'll use it maybe for like fertilizers and who knows, just dry storage. It's always good to have a dry place to store stuff. So again, as we go back up here, we'll keep on doing the pour. We'll kind of take our time and take a look. So we don't do this stuff all that often, so it's kind of fun to watch it from my perspective anyway. Kind of zoom in on here. So yeah, if you ever need a concrete guy, be sure to check out Jimmy. It's Jimmy Waters. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on his truck. I don't think he's going to mind some Jimmy Waters Concrete Services, 864-239-0673. That's the phone number. And sounds like the Metricon truck is moving, so I better get out of the way. run over by the cement truck. So alright. Let's see, I was looking over here. Again, you can kind of see what we're doing. That's going to be an 8x20 slab. And then I'll pan over here, but you can kind of see on the house right there, we're going to do a shed roof type of thing, just like that. And so it'll be a much nicer place for people to chill out, relax, and of course then they get to see that great view over Legacy Field in the front and Table Rock in the back, and it should just be a nice place to do it. So anyway, I think you guys get the idea of the cement pour, and that's about it. They're just going to smooth it out. It's a nice warm day. This thing should be dried. So, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned to see what else is brewing here at Table Rock Tea Company.